This is a shit job. Sige, dukot.
Nagugulat ka pala eh. Buhay yan ah.
Dukot. Dukot. Eto, wala, hindi niya alam kung anong kinukuha niya. Alas dyan. Pasok, kuya. Ay, jump po. Take care of everything. Jump in there. No, that's not. Hindi nga makaya. Dito, here. Jump in there. Of course, we have in the car. Okay, go home. Yes. Sige, pasok. Tanggalin mo yan. Natanggal ko na yung mga ano dyan. Tapon mo lang dito. Tapon mo lang. Sige. Years that they have been clean. I hope this time, the people will not throwing away shit there. Every time you say something, they're throwing away there like it's not rubbish, take the pictures, okay? You must take the pictures and send it to me.
I see last time, they just throw here.
Yeah.
And they just throw on the floor.
Okay, give it to him and then... Is it no right there in the car?
She's on the car.
Is anybody, anyone will throw the rubbish that is not belong to supposed to there? Take some pictures. Stink.
Yeah, so stinky.
Yeah.
Smells so
Yeah.
stinky.
You can just soon as you can get the all the.
I'm having headache already.
Yeah, you throw in the machine.
Okay?
You throw in the machine. No there?
Lagay ko na yung sa plastic.
Okay. Wasin. Ito, ipwede na ninyong ipatayo yan.
What did you do?
Okay, you want to take over? Hussein, you can take over. You can take over. Jump in. Jump out. Maraming nanonood. Wala ko pang ano.
Hindi, sila ipasok natin sa basurahan.
Only get the logs if you have logs.
In the bucket.
Tanggalin niyo ito, kuya. Nasa si kuya.
Saglit may kinuha isa sa sasakyan.
Mamaya na yan. Sige. Mamaya na yan. Yan.